Coming up with fresh ideas can be tough, whether it's for work, content, or personal projects. That's exactly where the Idea Coach agent in Copilot comes into picture. It helps you brainstorm, refine, and expand on your ideas so you never start from a blank page again. Hey everyone, I am Abhay. From my experience at Microsoft, I have seen how powerful Copilot can be, and Idea Coach is a perfect example. It helps me turn rough ideas into structured plans in minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through what Idea Coach is, where to find it, and show you 3 real-world examples of how it works. Do make sure you have an eligible Microsoft 365 Business or Enterprise plan along with the Copilot license to use it. So, what exactly is Idea Coach? Think of it as your personal brainstorming partner inside Microsoft 365 Copilot. So, instead of staring at a blank page or relying on random inspirations, Idea Coach helps you spark ideas, expand on rough concepts, and refine them into clear, structured outputs. It's especially helpful if you need inspiration for projects, campaigns, or even personal goals. To access Idea Coach, open your browser and visit copilot.microsoft.com. Once there, click on All Agents in the left pane. Under the Built by Microsoft section, select Idea Coach and then click Add. And now you land on the Idea Coach page. From here, you can either start by typing your idea or click the plus icon to add context or content you want to brainstorm around. And now it's demo time. Let's start with a workplace example. For instance, coming up with ideas for a marketing campaign. A beginner might type, "Give me marketing ideas," and that's fine, but it's too open-ended. This is exactly where Idea Coach steps in. As you can see, it starts by asking a few clarification questions. So here's how I would respond. I need social media campaign ideas for a new fitness app launching in March. The audience is young, between 25 and 35. Please use Instagram and TikTok as the focus platforms and suggest creative but low budget concepts. And just like that, I get a list of campaign ideas all tailored to my app launch. Super practical. And now let's look at another example. Brainstorming content for a blog. Generate 5 blog posts for a productive website. The audience is remote workers and freelancers. No specific sources, but please suggest 5 ideas formatted as engaging titles. Idea Coach then gives me a curated list of 5 blog post ideas to start with. Remember, this is just the beginning. So if you'd like, you can continue sharing your thoughts and ask Idea Coach to further refine it for you. For the last example, let's do something personal. Planning a new hobby project. Suggest a creative project idea for someone interested in photography. The goal is fun weekend activities. The context is beginner level photographer. No sources. Expectation, 5 ideas, mix of indoor and outdoor. And just like that, Idea Coach gives me a tailored list, all practical and fun ideas to kickstart creativity. Here's the big takeaway. The more context you give, better the results. So if you include details like your audience, your goal, and the tone you want, Idea Coach will deliver ideas that are not just creative, but also relevant and actionable. So that's Idea Coach for you, your built-in brainstorming partner in Copilot. It helps turn vague thoughts into cleared, structured ideas, whether you're planning a campaign, creating content, or exploring new hobbies. The big takeaway? Creativity gets easier when you have the right partner, and Idea Coach makes sure you always have one inside Copilot. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.